We did it, we did it, we did it, we did it. We just got done filming for our garden to grow. Hey, we just got finished for our garden to grow. We're about to plant some plants just so you know. We're about to plant some plants just so you know. Reading files, reading for smiles. Hey, reading for smiles. Hey, reading for smiles. Hey, we about to grow some plants. Hey, 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 we about to grow some plants. Can you say plants?
Plants.
What kind of plants are we going to grow?
And they grow.
What kind of plants are we going to grow?
It was on a grow.
What kind of plants are we going to grow?
Watermelon.
Which one is this?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. We got that. Say this one is cilantro.
I like churro.
Cilantro.
I like churro.
We're going to work on that. This one is, you know? Go ahead, say it. Don't be shy. Or if you,
Beans.
no, this one's a cucumber. Cucumber. What else we got? What else we got? This is the beans.
Beans.
I'm like, you just said it. I love green beans. What else we got? What else we got? We're so excited. What's this?
Raspberries. Grapes.
Grapes. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Let me see. Let me see. What else? What else? This one. Oh, this one is mommy's. This is rosemary. Let me see. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else we got? What else we got? Say spinach.
Spinach.
This one is mine. Mint.
Mint.
Mint is a perennial, so it'll keep growing back once we plant it. What's this one?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. This one is a dun, 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 dun. Pepper.
Pepper.
This is thyme.
Thyme.
Pick out another one. What's that one? It's more broccoli.
Broccoli.
And then I think the other one is more spinach, right? Oh, fennel. We also have fennel. And we have spinach. And so, yes, these are just some of the plants we're growing in our garden to grow. So tell everybody, Bossy Tay, join us.
Join us.
Plant with us. We want to see you in the school group.
It's a group.
Bye.
Bye.